There is a great saying I learned a few years ago that is very appropriate when you learn something new, which in the case of you learning how to buy a business, by you gaining the knowledge of the 5 steps of how to buy a business, this becomes part of your preparation, which will mean you'll be able to spot the opportunities when they present themselves to you. Something very important to this saying is when it's aligned to what's known as your reticular activation system. Now, your reticular activation system, or RAS, plays a pivotal role in aligning your focus with your goals, which in this case is when it comes to learning how to buy a business. It acts as a filter, directing your attention towards the relevant information and opportunities. It's a bit like when you buy a new car. You suddenly start to see more of the same car on the road. It's not that there are more of these cars on the road, it's because your RAS is tuned into spotting them. When you consider the adage, luck is when preparation meets opportunity, your RAS contributes significantly to this concept. As you prepare yourself by acquiring the knowledge, skills and insights into buying a business, you're essentially priming yourself for potential opportunities. When these opportunities arise, be it a promising business for sale, a valuable partnership, or a strategic investment, your preparedness allows you to recognize it and to seize the opportunity. By training your RAS to focus on your goal to purchase a business, you're essentially aligning your preparation with the potential opportunities that may arise in the market. By adapting this proactive approach, you'll be in a position to recognize and capitalize on these opportunities more readily as they present themselves to you. Therefore, by nurturing your understanding of the business acquisition process and by learning the steps it takes to buy one, including how to finance the acquisition, where to find businesses to buy, how to value a business, negotiation skills, due diligence and so on, means you are guiding your RAS to find businesses and you are creating your own luck. Preparing yourself is a critical component to what many consider as luck, whereas what actually happens is that luck, in essence, becomes a product of your preparation meeting the opportune moments that present themselves in the world of business acquisition. If you have any questions on this video or on any other aspect to do with buying a business, pop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions, because by answering the question that you have, this can take you that next step to buying a business. Thank you very much for listening, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next video.